In this video, Sam is going to show you how you can replace the engine air filter on a 2021 International 4300 with a Cummins motor.
So today we're going to be doing an air filter on a 2021 International with the 6.7 Cummins in it. So to do the air filter, there's going to be one clip here, another one back here, and then you're going to pop these open and slide it out this way, up and out, so that way you can detach these. So these, just push them down, flip them back up. Do the same on the other side. And now you have this, pull it up, wiggle it out. Here's your air filter. This just pops right out. Then you're going to take a new one. Always compare old and new parts, which, as you can see, they are the same. So now that we have this, we're going to put it back on in here. Put this back on, same way you took it out, slide it in, down, clamp. And now this is the little air filter to tell you when to change. You just press that. This one doesn't really work. If that did work, it fill up and click down, but this broke, so just change your air filter regularly.